Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check data uses by apps and services on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To check data uses by apps and services on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Network and Internet. Then click on Advanced Network Settings. Here you will find an option Data Uses. Click on Data Uses, and here you will find all your apps and services data uses statistics. This is the easiest way to find data uses by apps and service on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.